Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use fake users to avoid losing your materials in Blender. Have you ever been working on a material in Blender, switched to a different material, restarted your scene, and found that the original material has been deleted? Every material in your scene has a certain number of users, or objects that it is assigned to, which is displayed by a number next to the material name, and by no number if the material has only one user. If a material has no users or objects it is assigned to, then Blender will not save it when you close your project, and you will lose the material. To prevent this, all you need to do is click the shield icon next to the material name, and Blender will add a fake user, which means that even if the material is not being used in the scene, it will still be saved, so you won't lose it. Fake users can be added to a number of other data types, including geometry node groups and textures. Thanks for watching and happy rendering.